I thought I'd share this little win on ham radio for a bit of inspiration of others, to show that it can be done. So yesterday I made a contact from here, Woodstock, Ontario, across to Pretoria in South Africa, and I realised that that was some great distance, but I didn't realise the significance, and I'd kind of forgotten from my past in England long contacts. So in England I made a contact from basically London or Essex, where I lived, across to what I thought was Novosibirsk in Russia, which is kind of above Mongolia, quite some distance. And during today it was on my mind, what was that distance? Maybe I've got further than that with my contact from here to South Africa. So I did a quick Google eyes and did a bit of research to try and work out what that distance was. And first of all, I keep a logbook literally from day one. There's lots of lines on here, pages and pages of contacts, and I log everything from, the date, the time, the frequency, the mode, the power level, the call signs, the signal exchanges, and roughly what equipment I was using, which doesn't really change. And then I log the person's name and city. So most of the information I can get out of the call sign as to what country they're in. I went back through this log for my Russian contacts. It was Novosibirsk, and I couldn't find it. So then I started looking at all the Russian call signs, and I found one that was in Kemerovo. And Kemerovo is actually a town off to the side of Novosibirsk, and now I do remember that contact, but that was on the 4th of January. No, hang on, we got the dates the wrong way around now because we're North America. 31st of January 2004. That contact was made at 10:40 in the morning on 21 megahertz, and the exchange was 55 and 53, and that was with a call RU9VA Michel Kemerovo, and the guy was using a 3-element beam. And that's about all I can remember without going back through my kind of notebooks that I keep with more detail, which we could do. But where is Novosibirsk and Kemerovo? So let's have a look on the map here. It's right over this part here in Russia, as I say, kind of above the edge of Mongolia there. And it tells me that by road 3,894 miles. So if we zoom in on that, no, it's not going to tell us. But there's Tumen there, but Novosibirsk is here somewhere, just somewhere in this area here. Novosibirsk is the big well-known town that's obviously not big enough to be on a map. Oh, that's kind of crazy. But Novosibirsk is probably this area here. Anyway, the contact is that distance there. 3,894 miles. So we flip over to yesterday, and in my logbook I contacted a guy called Bill, ZS6CCY, who I've heard many times, but I've always heard the big gun American stations calling and never thought that I would give it a go and stand a chance, because I run here my ICOM 7300 just with 100 watts and a homebrew fan dipole, which is made from dollar store speaker cable. So pretty meagre station, but it just proves 100 watts and a wire and it can be done. So that contact, let's have a little look here. So there's the guy's details on QRZ, which is basically like a registry of, like a phone book if you like, of ham radio call signs. And the blue line here is our contact distance down to Pretoria, which is near Lesotho from memory. But it shows it as 8,287.8 miles. So quite clearly that's a lot more than the 3,900. And I was thinking it was about the same until we looked it up on here. Let's have a little look, see where that is. Yeah, just above Pretoria there. So, South Africa basically. Yeah, that's my win that I'm proud to share. Must admit I didn't appreciate the significance of it until I had a look right here. And there we go. So our contact was made again with 100 watts. In fact, the previous contact was made with this radio here in the UK, a Kenwood TS2000, which is also a 100 watt sideband radio. And this contact was made with the ICOM 7300. So this contact was 7 megs, 7.153. It was at 11:30 at night, and we exchanged 58 and 57 to Valwater, or Valwater probably, just north of Pretoria. That'll do me.
So this video, if you like it, our video, comment down below a thumbs up.
Thanks for watching VA3SII. Bye.